Your county leaders are sounding the alarm about an increasing case rate when it comes to coronavirus here in San Diego. They say if the recent trend continues, we could move backward into a more restrictive tier. Our Jacqueline Sarkeesian is live for us in Kearny Mesa with the new information tonight. Jacqueline.
Andrew, good evening. Yeah, that trend is troubling, causing a lot of concern for county officials, which is why they called this last-minute press conference about the coronavirus. They say, especially over the last 48 hours, the case rate has been increasing.
Right now, we're fighting to stay where we are.
San Diego County officials are sounding the alarm as we head into the weekend. During an unexpected briefing Friday, they said the number of coronavirus cases are increasing as we hover just below 400 cases a day. If those numbers aren't lower, we're on the verge of moving into a more restrictive tier.
We're very concerned, which is why we're here today. It's gone from a very modest gradual increase to a higher jump. And again, when you're right on the precipice, when you're barely making it in each tier each week, even what seems like modest increases can be enough to tip you over.
Officials say the unadjusted case rate has gone from 6.9 to 7.8% within the last 6 days. There's also been a higher number of community outbreaks, with 47 over the past week.
With roughly 95% of the county's COVID-19 cases not related to an outbreak, still these increased numbers of outbreaks occurring over the past few weeks is again a clear indication that COVID-19 is everywhere.
The county has been able to remain in the red tier, which currently allows several businesses to remain open for modified service. Officials warn that if the county's case rate stays at recent levels, it will be enough to push the region into the purple tier.
But again, it would have an impact on our small businesses. And you know, what I think is important is not having them open, close, open, close. And so what we're doing here is fighting to maintain the tier status where we are.
And Supervisor Fletcher is just once again urging everyone to wear face coverings when in public, avoid any gatherings, and if you're not feeling well, just stay home and try to work from home instead of going to the office. He says making these moves, doing these moves are crucial in order to keep us from going into that more restrictive tier, which is purple tier. Reporting live from Kearny Mesa, Jacqueline Sarkeesian, Fox 5 News.
All right, Jacqueline, thank you. Hopefully continue to move forward, not backward.